Say hi, guys.
Which it is very funny to see her reaction. Look at her.
Actually, kayo na pa ako gising. Tapos, nakapag-breakfast na din. And then, ngayon, yung anak ko kasi na isa, yung bunso ko na talaga to. Yung bunso ko, tulog pa kasi siya, umiyak siya. And then, dali-dali kagad ako pumunta dito sa room para padidiin si baby. Si baby ko. Tapos yung isa kong anak, yung pangalawa, nandoon sa sala. Nanonood siya. Gusto niyang manood lagi ng ano yung inaano namin, yung binablog. Yan. For memories kasi natutuwa siya, nakikita niya yung mukha niya, yung ate niya, gano'n. Parang na-realize ko, kailangan ko palang i-record lahat ng mga ginagawa niya, tsaka ginagawa ng ate niya para natutuwa siya, nakikita mo yung ngiti ng kanyang mukha. Yung ngiti niya talaga, yung parang ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Ayan. So guys, yung gagawin natin maglalagay tayo ng bigas. Nalagayan ko ng bigas. So, bubuksan natin. Bilis lang.
Can I get a room for 5 nights, please? Oh, get a check because it's 5 nights at Straits Hotel. Get it? Sure, we have an empty room on the 2nd floor. Am I allowed on the 2nd floor? Am I supposed to be? Is this an interval? The best game ever. Yo, Johnny, thank you for that, Johnny. Listen over to Easter egg, chat. Shrek threw it back on me. I'm kind of happy about it. Alright, chat, let's go listen to it. Look, see this one? Wait, I bet this opens up that secret room. I bet that's what it was. Yeah, that's what it was, Chad. That was the secret that we discovered. Let's get some sleep out of it. I need to go to the bathroom before I sleep. Where's the bathroom? Chad, that's not a pay-up. What does the prediction say? Will Case survive? I didn't die! It was an Easter egg! Chad, y'all are some channel point wanderers, I'm telling you. Chad, y'all are some shit. The IRS is gonna come knocking on y'all's door, and you ain't gonna have nothing to say. Hey, Shrek, where's the bathroom? I gotta go poop. Excuse me, where's the bathroom? The bathroom is on the first floor on your left side. Thank you, Shrek.
Our humble
Chad, is there supposed to
bottom.
be something on the bottom left? Oh, no.
Yan, sa loob. Come on!
Hey, I'm just moving the boxes.
So, paliguan ko muna yung aking anak. So, tapos ko na rin siya napaliguan.
Chad, if I want to allow that, if you allow that to happen.
Oh, sorry. It's hard. Yung pasuklay.
Sweat, by 3, by 4. Yep, midnight on my 3, let's go. Name up. Why does he look... Why does he look so angry?
Tayo sa laundry area. So, ayan, magsasampay tayo. Yung laundry area ko, na maraming nakalagay na mga ano. Ayan. Di pa ako nakapagwalis. Di pa nakapagwalis ng poop. Magsasampay tayo. Magsasampay tayo ng damit. So, mag-live selling tayo ngayon. Live selling. Putin tayo magsampay. Tapos meron pa tayo ulit sinasalang. Ayan. Yehe. Tapos na rin. Kaya pala. Meron pa pala isa. Yun ang pork. Pork yan siya. Ayan. Andun yung mga anak ko. Karating lang ni ate galing ng school. Half day lang kasi sila ngayon. Tapos nagkakain na kami niyan after.